If you're looking for an easy, healthy, and delicious dinner, try my sheet pan shrimp with asparagus. Season your peeled and deveined shrimp with salt, smoked paprika, oregano, and lots of freshly ground black pepper. Add lemon juice and minced garlic and stir to combine. Place your asparagus on a sheet pan, top with the seasoned shrimp and a little sliced red onion. You'll need to chop some parsley to place on the shrimp when it comes out of the oven. Place the whole sheet pan in the oven and wait for about 15 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and top with crumbled feta, black olives, and your chopped parsley. Plate it with a little arugula and warm garlic bread. This dish is as beautiful as it is healthy, and you're going to love it. Yum! You need to try this one.